Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. If this is the first time on my channel, I am a sewing and fashion enthusiast, and on this channel I like to make and refashion both trendy and classy pieces to suit our style and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, then please make sure that you hit the subscribe button to join this growing family, and also make sure to hit the like button if you do enjoy this video, and also don't forget to share the video to whoever it will benefit. In this video, I will be showing you how I altered this yellow dress that I'm wearing. If you are new to my channel, I have been making a series of videos talking about benefits of alteration, why you need a sewing machine in your home, just like any home appliance. So in continuation of this series, I wanted to actually show you guys an alterations video in action. So I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to leave your comments below. If you have any questions, if I didn't cover anything that you'd like to know, please don't forget to let me know in the comments below. With that said, let's get to the video. So this is the dress on me. It's big. Just look at how much it's in here. Like, I can put my hand in there. It's a lot. So I need to take this much from the dress, and of course I need to show the full length. So it is alteration day, and I got my tea, and I am ready to turn this dress into something wearable and flattering that it currently is. I've had this dress since 2019 and have never worn it because it needed to be altered. So I have previously identified how much I need to take out by wearing the dress and pinching the sides. Now with the inside part of the dress turned out, I go ahead to pin the excess while making sure I taper it into the existing seam. Using a ruler is another option to have a proper guide as to where to pin, but I have done this so many times, so I am just eyeballing it here at this moment. Once this is done, I go ahead to wear the dress to make sure the fit is what I want, and if it is, I will then proceed to stitching or sewing. I was also not liking the length of the dress and thought it would be better in a shorter length, which I did towards the end of the video and totally love it. Next, it was time to sew, but my dress came with a weird design in the armhole area, so I had to undo the seams before taking in the excess. Most dresses will not require this step, but if it does, you will need to unpick first before taking in the excess to have a seamless look. Unless you don't care for having a neat look, then you can skip the step. Once I was done with that, I went ahead to pin and stitch the excess. I also went ahead to cut and remove any excess bulk that I had, which is in the form of the excess fabric. The fabric of the dress is sort of a knit fabric, so I didn't have to finish the raw edges as it would not fray. However, if you're working with fabrics such as cotton or linen or any fabric that frays, you need to finish it off with a zigzag stitch at least to prevent it from fraying. Now, once I was done with that, I tried my dress on one more time and realized I wasn't satisfied with how much I had taken in. So I did go ahead to take a little more in, which I didn't show since I carried out the same steps as mentioned in this video. To shorten the dress, I folded the length in to my liking, and I also pinned it, which I did measure in order not to forget. I wanted to shorten the dress by 4 inches, so I measured that and pinned all around the hem. Once done with that, I took out my thread and needle and hemmed the dress. I use what we call a blind hem to hem the dress, and I just prefer to do this by hand. I could have done this with my sewing machine, however, I haven't mastered the blind hem technique on my sewing machines. So the hand it is, my friends. So while watching YouTube, I finished off the hem and my dress was ready. I made sure to press the new stitches on the side and the hem, and that's it. I was done. It was easy and very quick, don't you think so? Let me know if you thought so too. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you in your own alterations journey or studying alterations if you've been thinking about it. And if you haven't been thinking about it, I hope that this will at least make it less scary, if I should say so, to start your own alterations as well. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And also, if you did enjoy the video, please make sure you hit the like button. It really helps my channel grow. And also make sure you hit the notifications bell so that you do not miss any videos that I post in the future. And also make sure that you share the video. With that said, have a good one. Bye.